Hey, it's Dr. Amanda from StraightSmile Solutions, StraightSmileSolutions.com, and we're here today because I got a package. Yay! I ordered as a consumer because one of my children is a patient of Invisalign, so I wanted to go through all their consumer experiences. If you haven't experienced Invisalign or Align technology as a consumer, not a doctor, but a consumer, you should go to their store page. It's a patient-facing store page because you should know what they're selling, right? They have all kind of cool swag stuff, cleaners, cases. It's like way more than you can get from the doctor-facing store. So I just wanted to show you what I ordered, how much it cost, and how long it took. So I only ordered this like maybe less than a week ago. It's been pretty quick. So it came to me like just a little, like it's a little bit unprofessional, I'll be honest. Like it's just when the address came, and I don't want to show you it, but I didn't even know what this was, you know? Like it came, and I'll just cover this up, but this is what it looks like. I was like, what is this? Shipping Department, Illinois, you know? What is this? I get all kind of random stuff. But anyways, that was what it was. But I was pretty psyched because this is what I got. I think it was $16, $15.99 maybe. They didn't charge shipping, which was great. And they had a bazillion different aligner cases you can pick from besides the regular black one that they get when you order it. My kid did not like that one. This is like pretty cute. I mean, granted they can put stickers on it, but it's just a little bit unique because I mean, my daughter was telling me that everyone in her class supposedly has Invisalign, so she didn't want the same case as all her friends. So just so they didn't get lost or anything like that. They have like 30 or 40 or 50 different cases you can choose from, including the NFL ones. So it's pretty cool. But this is the case, just a little bit different. Otherwise it looks the same inside. I realize this probably only cost them 50 cents to make. They're making a major profit off this, but just so you know, it is really, really cute. I don't think this one has a mirror in it. That would be nice if it had a mirror. But anyways, you can also get stickables. My daughter is 11 and she was like, ugh, I'm not wearing stickables. Those are for babies. But really fun stuff. Do check out their consumer facing store. Hopefully this was helpful. All right, thanks so much.